If you ever find yourself in need of like a green screen in a weird spot, like I do here in the corner of my two walls here, and there's really no readily available green screen solution online. Curtains just don't work for this. But you want to like make something that's not expensive, going to break the budget, and something that's actually going to work. I got the solution for you right here. I'm going to tell you how I did it and how much it cost. So this here is my green screen that I have in the corner. I film from here. My camera's kind of hidden under here right now, as you can see. But a lot of times you can see the corner of the walls in the video that I make, so it doesn't ever green screen correctly when I put curtains up or anything else that I could find. And I spent a lot of money on different curtains and green screens and things like that. So what I did was I kind of got creative and came up with my own solution. So you'll see what this is here, right? This is a PVC sheet of plastic. You probably more commonly see these in showers. As the you ever have go in someone's shower stall and they have them white plastic panels all around the side so that nothing gets wet. You know, they're waterproof. This is basically one of those. And what I did was I bought a certain one though. I bought one that has a texture. If you guys can see, this has like a texture to it. I didn't want a flat one that would create a shiny bounce back from the lights, because that would kind of interfere with the green screen effects. So I found one that was flat, and it was in Home Depot, Lowe's, a matte kind of finish to it. And I kind of just nailed it to the walls here, as you can see, right? And there's a special paint that I used, though. I didn't just use any green paint. So you can see I just kind of nailed it with little tacks here into the drywall to not cause any real big holes. And the paint that I used, I'm going to get into that right now to show you, because that's really important. And one other thing I'll show you guys is that back here, I didn't need any supports or nothing. Look, it just kind of, it's rigid enough to where it just holds. So for this transition, you don't need to add any bracing or anything behind, which is great. You guys can see back there, it goes right out. So if you see these little aliens behind me here, then you can tell that my green screen's actually working. This color that I got was a bare paint color available in Home Depot. Now, it's not something that like is readily available anymore because it's an old color, it's not a commonly used color, whatever. So what you want to do is give them the code that's on the screen. I'm also going to put that code in the description below. And you want to tell them to look for the bare color, Gamma Sector Green. That was inspired, obviously, by these little guys. It works great, as you can see. It'll save you a ton of money. I'd only recommend getting a quart, because a gallon's a lot. A gallon's enough to paint a small bedroom. If you're not painting an entire room green, you're just doing a green screen wall, probably a quart should get you by fine. It's only going to cost you, what, under 20 bucks, and whatever the board cost you. You're going to have a green screen that you can use in any way you want and anywhere you want. So if this video has helped you at all, I hope you consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this.